coming at you from my very extremely leaky hose situation. I am going to be applying this Gorilla waterproof patch and seal tape because I don't want to replace all of my hoses, because this is literally my entire garden's worth of hoses have leaks like that from rodents. I'm going to apply it first to this tiny little spot. It said you could do it like underwater, so that implies that you can do it under wet application. It is very much still coming out. I am going to shut the sprinkler off. I just thought this would be an easy way, if I could do wet application, that I could apply it while the sprinkler was on, just to make it easier to find the holes, but I don't think that's actually going to work. Look at this, these little jerk faces. Ugh. I finished the whole roll with this to spare. It's 10 feet by 4 inches. Okay, check it out. Let's see how many patches I did. I got through half the garden. Okay. 1, 64, 65, 66. 66 patches, which only took me about 3 hours. That was my first patch that I did while it was wet. That one, no go. That one's bulging. Oh, it just keeps getting bigger. Oh no. Oh, that's gonna burst. Oh, that's gonna burst. Oh. Okay. You can see. Oh, that is not holding. This one has busted open right in the middle of it. On the bottoms of them, the seals have broken open. This one, oh, that one blew a hole right in the middle of it. Oh gosh, it's like I never even put it on there. Oh man, 3 hours of work, and I believe that roll was $10. Do I recommend it? No. What a waste of my time. But now we know. Don't bother.